welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah. Today's video will be on this look right here. So if you're interested, go put your robe on, grab your makeup, and let's get cute. Okay, so first I'm gonna put some concealer on my eyelids, and this will just help the eyeshadow stay on all night. And I'm going to blend this out. Alright, so now that we got our eyelids primed, I'm going to be using this set right here that I picked up from Walmart. This is really cute, and it really has all the brushes that you would need to do your face with. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking this blender brush out the set, and I'm going to go in with my The Warriors by Juvia's Place. I love this company. I love everything that they have because everything is just so pigmented. So the first color I'm gonna dip into is going to be this little brown color right here. So I'm just gonna take that and put this all in my crease like so. As you can see, this color matches my skin really well, and that's exactly what I was going for. All right, so next I'm just gonna take this flat eyeshadow brush here out of the set, and I'm gonna go in with this nice pretty gold color right here, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. Just watch how these colors pick up. And I'm just pressing this on the lid. You see that? This is so cute. Okay, so now that we laid the color on our lid, I'm just gonna go back into our crease color and just blend this out a little bit more. Already looking good. Okay, so next I'm going to take this dark brown color right here, and I'm just gonna put this at the end of my eyelid with this fluffy brush. So actually another blender brush. Actually, I don't even know why I said fluffy brush. I don't know why I said fluffy brush, but this is actually another blending brush. So we're just gonna put this on the end of our eyelid and blend this up and over. So next, I'm just gonna take this color right here. It's like a nude color, and I'm just gonna sit this up under my eyelid, or brush this up under my eyelid rather, and then we're gonna blend that out. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my H2O liquid proof eyeliner by Wet n Wild, and I love this. When I tell y'all this stuff don't move, baby, this stuff don't move. So I'm just gonna do me a little cat eye. Okay, so now that we have our eyeliner on, I'm gonna pop these lashes on right here, and these are by Kiss. These are so wispy, and I love wispy lashes. And I'm gonna be using my Duo lash glue. Okay, y'all, so we have our lashes on. I thought I was done with my eyes, but I'm gonna come in with this palette again, and I'm just gonna go right in this shimmer color right here and put this in my inner tear duct. And drag it up into that gold color just to make sure it's blended. Okay, so next I'm going to put some eyeliner on. So moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming my face with the Poreless face primer. After we have our primer on, I'm going to go in with my Laurier Mercier. So expensive, I can't even pronounce it. Take a thin layer of it and just press this in my face before I put my foundation on. I'm gonna go in with my Revlon ColorStay, and this is the color 510 Pecan. And what I like to do is take my setting spray, and I like to spray my brush and then put the foundation on. I'm actually going to switch and use this beauty blender because that brush wasn't really doing it for me, actually, to be honest. I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna be using two colors. I'm gonna be using Caramel and Hazelnut. This is the same one that I prime my lids with, and this is another one I just use this to highlight up under my eyes. So after I put that up under my eyes, I'm just gonna take some more translucent powder and put this on top to set it. So I'm just gonna dust this right off. I'm not gonna let this bake. Okay, now we're gonna put some mascara on. Next, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. blush, and this is called Berry Mary. Blush it up. Baby, we getting cute. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is some highlight and trophy wife, And I'm just gonna go on the other side of this brush and just put this on the top like so. Baby, they ain't gonna be able to tell us nothing. Nothing, not a doggone thing. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna be going in with my matte lipstick Naked by Milani. And then I'm just gonna take this brown lip liner and go over my lips. Okay, you guys, so this is the look for today. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and come back for more.